6 men shot dead in Clarendon. Police military operation. 2 soldiers injured. Breaking news, guys. So guys, 6 men was shot dead this morning during a joint police military operation in Effortville, Clarendon. So law enforcement sources has revealed the name of the men. Some of them still, not all of them get released. So it also reported that 2 men of the Jamaica Defense Force were injured during the operation. And you can look and then you see the picture of them I'm sharing disclosing in the video. So I get the information from the Gleaner actually, so them actually understand that 3 rifles were seized also. So that also gets seized according to the source. The target of the operation was Leon Rose, also called Hitler, and a member of a gang for which is the leader of. Yeah man, people, so I was gonna see the people them, the youth them I'm just showing a video. They're very young and that not look good. You see me on certain people out the same way, cause you have niggas out the same way with carry themselves, so and them not do nothing. You see me? So when people do them thing they and paint a picture like them good, them make it look all bad for other people. You see me guys, what? No more information released, but RIP to them youth there, and yeah, hope them learn next time as far as we see it. So we bring some more news ASAP.